Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get free connects on Upwork. And before I continue with the video, I'm just going to tell you guys firsthand, a lot of the offers that Upwork used to have in the past, you can't really get them anymore. Right now you only get coupons that they send you. So what I'm basically going to be doing in this video is I'm going to show you the two most important notifications that you need to have on, and those are basically the only free connects we're going to be able to get for now. Okay guys, so you're going to need to log into your account, so you're just going to add in your username and password. Okay guys, so then when you log into your account, then you're just going to go to your profile settings. You're just going to open your profile, and then you're going to go on to settings for your app, and then you're just going to go into notification settings, and over here you select email updates, and these two, membership subscription related events occur, or send me genuinely useful emails every now and then. These have to be on. So yeah guys, these two notifications have to be on. So yeah guys, when those notifications are on, whenever Upwork are giving out coupons, you're gonna get notifications. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Unfortunately there's no special trick or anything to this, but yeah, I hope you guys found this a little bit helpful. Okay, thanks for watching guys.